Hello and what's up guys, out of Syllabus here, and this is not a routine video. I'm just gonna show you that what I'm doing right now, because I'm in a project, in a mesh solver project. That is a competition of mesh solver robot which is gonna held next week Sunday. So I'm very busy right now, and as you can see right there, there are tools everywhere here and there. I have to make the whole thing in a couple of days left, but I am currently stuck with this PCB. As you can see, this is a custom PCB I decided to make because I have pretty much amount of components to connect them in a perf board. So a PCB is the right choice right now. So as you can see right here, I'm stuck with this. This is the second attempt, and as you can see, this looks quite well, but on the same time there are certain imperfections, like this here trace is just burned out because of greater heat, and here are certain imperfections. The traces are not in there, just scratched away here and there, and still quite good, and I can still correct it using my marker or Sharpie. But still, the problem is that, you know guys, I like perfection. So I'm gonna scrub the whole thing out and redo it. I don't know how much time I have to redo this again and again, but still, you may think that why the is white, right? In toner transfer matter, if you don't know, we just laser print our layout of our circuit board and then just heat press it, and then the toner gets transferred from our paper in which we have printed our circuit to the copper board, and the toner is black, right? Then why the this is white? Now this is the problem guys. A layer of the paper is still stuck with it, and after 45 minutes of scrubbing, it's still not getting removed. So that's the problem, and as soon as I sprinkle some drop of water in here, you will see that this is fucking black. Let me show you. See, as soon as I soak it in water a little bit, you can see black traces right there. It's still drying. I think I have to spread the water a little bit. Still drying fast, but hope you got your confusion clear, right? The toner is black, but the portion of paper is still stuck with it, and that's why it's not removing. By the way, the traces are quite good, as you can see right here, but still a little bit problem, and I have to redo it. So there it is guys, a quick update. I will not say this is a routine video, but hope you've enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, thumbs down for the opposite, and if you still haven't subscribed here, I would request you to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon to get notified about my latest uploads. And I don't think for the next week also I'll get time to edit my videos, so there will be also an update, and I think in that video I'll show you the complete robot. So that's all for today guys. This is Malhar, you're watching Out of Syllabus, and I'm signing off.